Hello, and welcome. It is a true delight to have you join me once again. Our planet's oceans, vast and mysterious, cover more than 70% of its surface. Within these great blue expanses live creatures of extraordinary power and grace, a world of life that continues to astonish and inspire us. Today, we turn our attention to one of the ocean's most remarkable inhabitants, a fish known to many, yet truly understood by few, the tuna. A name that might bring to mind a simple meal, but the reality of this animal is far more complex and thrilling. In the open ocean, speed is life. It is the currency of the hunter. It is the currency of the hunted. And in this realm, the tuna reigns as one of the undisputed champions of velocity. To witness a school of tuna in full pursuit is to see a display of raw, explosive power, a living torpedo slicing through the water with breathtaking efficiency. Certain species, like the formidable bluefin and the agile yellowfin, are capable of reaching speeds that defy belief. They can accelerate to over 75 kilometers per hour, or nearly 50 miles per hour, in mere seconds. This isn't a leisurely swim. It is a burst of pure, unadulterated speed, a biological phenomenon that allows them to chase down some of the fastest prey the ocean has to offer, such as squid and mackerel. How is such a feat possible? The answer lies in their perfect streamlined design. Their bodies are shaped like a hydrofoil, smooth and tapered at both ends, minimizing drag and allowing them to cut through the water with minimal resistance. Every part of their anatomy is built for this singular purpose, from the finlets that reduce turbulence to the powerful muscles that drive their sickle-shaped tail. It is a level of specialization that one might expect from a fighter jet, not a fish. This anatomical perfection transforms them from mere swimmers into aquatic missiles. They are a perfect fusion of form and function designed for a life lived at exhilarating speed. It is a powerful reminder that the ocean is a theater of high-stakes drama. If you find this journey as fascinating as I do, please consider showing your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. The vast majority of fish are cold-blooded. Their body temperature follows the surrounding water. It's a basic rule of fish life, but the tuna breaks that rule spectacularly. They can keep their body much warmer than the water. This is called endothermy, biological engineering. It gives them an edge in the frigid depths. Other predators become sluggish in cold water, muscles slowing, reaction times dulled. The tuna stays vibrant and powerful, an internal furnace. It can dive deep into cold, dark zones after prey. The secret: a network of blood vessels called the rete mirabile, the wonderful net. It works as a countercurrent heat exchanger. Warm blood leaving active muscles flows alongside cold blood from the gills. Heat transfers to warm the incoming blood before it hits the core. The system is astonishingly efficient. It keeps the core, especially swimming muscles, brain, eyes, up to 20 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Fahrenheit, warmer than the water. That warmth supercharges them. Rapid muscle contractions for high-speed swimming, quick neural responses for fast hunting. Think of it as a pre-warmed high-performance engine. It boosts muscle power and speeds digestion so they refuel faster. It turns cold into an advantage. This adaptation underpins their global predatory success. They traverse habitats from warm surface tropics to chilly, nutrient-rich temperate currents. Evolution made something elegant and complex: the tuna, a marine marvel. Now, let us dive in and explore the surprising truths of the magnificent tuna. The tuna is not a creature of one place. It is a perpetual traveler, a true nomad of the great ocean currents. Their lives are defined by journeys of almost unimaginable scale, epic migrations that can span entire ocean basins. When we think of tuna, we often picture the manageable size found in a can. But honestly, this image belies the true, awe-inspiring scale that some species can achieve. The undisputed king, the giant among giants, is the Atlantic bluefin tuna. This is not just a fish, it is a titan, a creature of immense size and power that commands respect in its oceanic kingdom. These magnificent animals can grow to astonishing proportions. While an average adult might be impressive enough, the largest individuals can reach lengths of over 3 meters or about 10 feet. But it is their weight that is truly staggering. The record holders have tipped the scales at over 900 kilograms or nearly 2,000 pounds. That is the weight of a small car and a grand piano. To encounter a bluefin of this size in its natural habitat would be an unforgettable experience. It is a mountain of muscle and a being of immense power and surprising grace, moving through the water with an authority born of its sheer mass. In any complex structure, there is a keystone, a central piece that holds all others in place. In many marine ecosystems, the tuna plays this vital role. They are not simply inhabitants of the ocean, they are architects of its ecological balance. As apex predators, their influence cascades down through the entire food web, shaping the abundance and behavior of countless other species. Their position at the top of the food chain means they are a crucial force of natural selection. By preying on other fish, such as mackerel, herring, squid, they help to control these populations. Without the constant pressure from tuna, these smaller fish populations could explode, potentially overgrazing on smaller organisms like zooplankton and disrupting the delicate balance of the entire system, which in turn ensures that the prey populations remain healthy and robust. Understanding their role as a keystone species is critical, a silent collapse that would impoverish the biodiversity of our planet's blue heart. Beyond their ecological significance, tuna hold an immense economic value for humanity. For centuries, they have been a prized catch. But in the modern era, the demand for this fish has exploded, creating a global industry of staggering proportions. The pursuit of tuna is no longer just a livelihood for coastal communities. It is a multi-billion-dollar international enterprise. The global tuna market is valued at over $40 billion annually. This immense figure reflects the journey of the fish from the open ocean to plates around the world. It encompasses the fishing fleets, the processing plants, the international shipping networks, and the final markets, local grocery stores and high-end sushi restaurants. It is a complex and far-reaching supply chain. The tuna's incredible attributes, its speed, power, that rich flesh have made it one of the most sought-after fish in the world. But honestly, this popularity has come at a tremendous cost. The same industrial efficiency that brings tuna to our tables has pushed many of its populations right to the brink. The story of the tuna in the modern age is inextricably linked to the threat of overfishing. Several species of tuna are now considered to be at risk. The magnificent Atlantic bluefin has been severely depleted and is listed as endangered. Other species, like the southern bluefin, are critically endangered. Even more common species like yellowfin and bigeye are facing increasing pressure in certain regions, a clear warning sign that the current rate of fishing is, well, just unsustainable. Large purse seine nets, sometimes used with fish aggregating devices or fads, can capture entire schools of tuna at once. In response to this crisis, a global conservation movement has emerged. Conservation efforts also focus on promoting more sustainable fishing methods. The fate of the tuna is now in our hands. To be a successful predator in the vast three-dimensional world of the open ocean, one requires more than just speed and power. It requires perception, the ability to detect and track prey in a world of shifting light and shadow. The tuna possesses an extraordinary sensory tool, its remarkable vision. Its eyes are not simple organs, they are highly advanced optical instruments finely tuned for a life of high-speed pursuit. A tuna's eyes are exceptionally large in proportion to its body, allowing them to gather the maximum amount of light. This is crucial for hunting in the dim conditions of the deep or during the low-light periods of dawn or dusk, when many of their prey are most active. They can see with a clarity and in conditions that would leave many other predators effectively blind. Their eyes sit on the sides of a sleek, tapered head, giving a wide field of view. More importantly, they make rapid, precise movements powered by strong muscles. They can track a tiny, fast-moving fish against shimmering water and dense schools with incredible accuracy. It's a visual processing feat of the highest order. One key adaptation ties to being warm-blooded. The rete mirabile warms their muscles, and it also extends to the eyes and the brain. Warm eyes boost retina and optic nerve performance. That speeds visual processing, giving a faster frame rate to perceive the world. This extra temporal resolution is a huge advantage. They essentially see the world in slow motion compared to their prey, gaining a decisive edge in the chase. It's another layer of sophistication. In the relentless environment of the open ocean, life is often short and precarious. For many fish species, surviving for more than a few years is a significant achievement. Yet again, the tuna stands apart. Certain species, particularly the larger ones, like the bluefin, are capable of remarkable longevity, living lives that can span multiple decades. The potential lifespan of a bluefin tuna can be as long as 40 years, and some evidence suggests they may live even longer. The story of the tuna is not complete without acknowledging its cultural and culinary significance, especially in the art of sushi. For centuries, tuna has been consumed in Japan, but in the modern era, it ascended to become one of the most prized ingredients in the world. In the world of sushi, tuna, maguro, is revered. Different cuts from the fish offer a spectrum of flavors and textures, each appreciated for its unique qualities. Akami, chutoro, otoro. Akami is the lean, deep red meat from the back, prized for its pure, clean flavor. Chutoro, the medium fatty belly, is buttery and rich, melting in the mouth. But the pinnacle is otoro, the fattiest part from the underside of the fish. Its intense marbling and complex flavor make it one of the most sought-after and expensive foods on the planet. Our journey into the world of the tuna has revealed a creature far more complex and magnificent than many of us ever imagined. From their breathtaking speed and their warm-blooded hearts to their epic ocean-spanning migrations and their incredible longevity, they are true marvels of the natural world. They are not just a commodity, they are a vital keystone of our planet's marine ecosystems and a symbol of the wild, untamed power of the ocean. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive today. Until next time, stay curious. If you wish to continue uncovering the secrets of our natural world with me, please remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.